Take your academic research to the next level. With Liner, you can find specific information and academic papers in seconds. Liner's Scholar Mode delivers precise insights on your research topic, along with academic sources from academic journals. Turn on the Scholar Mode and ask your research question. Liner gives you a comprehensive summary, complete with academic sources like peer-reviewed papers. Liner also provides line-by-line citations, making it easy to fact-check its statement, useful when you want to deep dive into the original article. Liner's Scholar Mode is a powerful tool for graduate students and researchers, especially during the early stage of their research. Here's how different users use this feature. 1. Andrea, a PhD student who's starting a new project, uses Liner to pull up research papers to get an overview of the field of research. 2. Luke, a PhD student writing an introduction, needs supporting evidence to back up his statements. He used Liner to quickly find and cite relevant research papers in their work. Liner takes your research to the next level by giving you reliable information and transparent sources. Research smarter with Liner.